Hi, want to know how to change default keyboard to any other that you would like to use on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So in my case, I have chosen Gboard, and firstly we would need to install the keyboard in the Google Play. Then we click open, and here as a first step we will need to enable Gboard in the settings. So we click on this button, and here we can see our Gboard. We would need to click on this slider to enable it. You'll get this warning which is saying that this input method may be able to collect all of the text that you are typing, which can include your personal data, password, and credit card numbers. And if you agree to that, we click OK. As the next step, we would need to go back to the Gboard application, and then we will get the next instructions. If we will go back, which is select input method, the Gboard. So we click on this button, and here instead of Samsung keyboard, we have to choose Gboard. And this is it. We have successfully set a new keyboard, and let's test it. So I'll go to this search bar and type something, and you can see that instead of the Samsung keyboard, I have the Gboard. That's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.